This is the first video on how to set up a low-cost streaming solution for YouTube, Twitch, Facebook and similar platforms. We're going to use a software called OBS or Open Broadcast Software. It's a free software that is available for multi-platform such as Windows, Apple and Linux. It's becoming the industry of the low-cost systems for streaming. Furthermore, it has plugins to some high-end stuff like Blackmagic and advanced lighting systems and a whole infrastructure of plugins, add-ons and hardware. It's extremely powerful. It can actually utilize hardware encoders if your computer allows it, and I've seen performance of 4K 90 if your hardware allows it. For this exercise we're gonna use the auto configuration wizard and we're gonna configure it for just recording. You say yes to defaults, you can change them lately. It's gonna take 1 to 2 minutes for this process to complete. And in this case, since we are running on a sandbox, we don't have a hardware encoder. By a normal, you will be able to see probably for a Ryzen 5 $500 laptop something like 90 frames per second at full 4K resolution at very low CPU speed. So the system is checking multiple resolutions. You apply settings as soon as it completes, and here it is. Yes, pin it to the taskbar and we are ready to use it and to start our first capture. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.